Breakfast Lounge. My name is Mellyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make Berry Patriotic Sangria. Sangria is definitely one of my favorite drinks to make for parties, and that's a few reasons. One, you can scale it. You can double it, triple it, quadruple it, whatever you need for the amount of portions. Also, it's really budget friendly. It's a great time to use some inexpensive wines, and then you just stretch it with all the other ingredients. And my favorite reason is that you can make it in advance, and actually it gets better if you make it in advance, especially if you make it the night before and let it chill in the fridge. All the flavors start to mingle, so. And today we're making the Berry Patriotic Sangria because it's 4th of July. And it is red, white, and blue themed colors. So you could also use it for Memorial Day, Labor Day, or anytime you want a really good berry sangria. So to make the sangria, I have blueberries, raspberries, and some sliced up strawberries. So we're just gonna add some of these to the pitcher. Okay, now let's talk about wine. I really recommend using a really light, crisp white wine. I'm not using any juice in this sangria. Juice would help complement some more powerful, bold wines. So I really like a Pinot Grigio for this. You can do Sauvignon Blanc, some get a little bold with some certain flavors. So Pinot Grigio is a nice and light, fruity, crisp wine. So you just add the bottle. And for my twist on this sangria, I'm using a raspberry flavored vodka. Depending on how strong you like it, you do about a half cup to probably 3/4 of a cup, somewhere in that neighborhood. Just throw that in. And you're going to want to do some lemon juice, 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. That's really it. You're going to give it a nice light little stir, very gently. And then you're going to put a lid on it or some saran wrap, and then you're just gonna put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight, like I said, is preferred, so the flavors get all nice and happy. Okay, we're back. The sangria has been nice and chilled, and all the berry flavors are working in there with the wine. So we are ready for what I'm calling the white coloring, and that is I froze coconut water into ice cubes. I like the big ice cubes. They melt slower, so it keeps your drink cold, but it doesn't, put too much water in your cocktail, but it will impart some coconut water flavor, which I love. If you don't, you can just use regular ice cubes. It just won't be as white colored. And last but not least, right before you're serving it, you're gonna add a little sparkling water. Usually about a cup. This is a small pitcher, so we're gonna pretend this is a cup to a cup and a half. And there you have it. This is the Berry Patriotic Sangria, perfect for your next barbecue, 4th of July, any holiday that involves red, white, and blue. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great 4th, and we'll see you next time.